Hi, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm going to create a very beautiful and simple DIY. It can be used for many purposes, for decor and also for organization. I'm doing this for the purpose of organization, for keeping it over desk areas, to hold small little items that I really find it very useful, but it's so cute. You can use it as a decor by adding false florals or succulents to it, or you can even add your jewelry or trinkets in it. This video is part of the challenge called Craft Room Organization Challenge being hosted by Kristen K and Courtney from the Creative on the Cheap. They are both wonderful channels with lots of inspirations related to DIY. I'll put link to both the channels in the description box below along with the playlist for this challenge for more inspirations. I love doing a lot of DIY, decor, home, recipe style and everything within budget, and if you love such content, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. The biggest challenge for me in my craft room are the small little items, the items that I think I'll be using in very near future for a craft, for a DIY, and I don't want to put them away in the almirah, in the cupboards, because I don't want to forget the idea that I have regarding that piece. So I need those pieces out, but they become a lot of clutter. The pieces can be small items like a button, some teeny piece of a lace or a ribbon. It could be part of a clip or a brooch or a small card or some pins, anything, beads. There are so many of those small little items, something cut out from a card, which I don't know how to categorize them separately and put them away in boxes, because I need to use them and they are maybe one of a piece, one of a kind. I don't know which box they should go to. So I need something like a catch-all, something which can hold all the small items in one place. I can grab them whenever I want and they look pretty as well. So I found this beautiful idea from the blog called The Craft Patch, and with this idea I created this geometric bowl. Now I'm going to share a free downloadable template for making this geometric bowl. If you want to create it on your own, I'll put the link to my blog post where I'm giving this free printable in the description box of this video, where you can click and get the free printable and make your own geometric bowls. For making this geometric bowl, you need a piece of paper, preferably an A4 size ratio paper. So even if you want to make a small bowl, you take a smaller size but in the same proportion as that of an A4 size paper, or you can take a bigger paper, again in the same ratio of 8.5:11. So that's the basic ratio for the A4 size paper. I'll give you the template for this pattern in my blog post. I'll give the link of my blog post from where you can download the free template for making these geometric bowls at home. I'm also going to show you how you can draft your own pattern without the printable as well. So you can make this pattern according to your requirement of size, bigger or smaller as you wish. So I've taken a paper. The paper should be thick like a cardstock paper or a chart paper. It can be single color, bold color, or patterned, or two-sided, can be two different patterns. Or if you don't have a paper which has got two different sides, or you don't like what is there on the two different sides, you can glue together two pieces of paper together of your desired patterns on each side. Now let's draft the design. You must know the width, the allowed width of this paper, because we are going to create the hexagon. Now this paper allows me comfortably 16 centimeters width. So I'm going to mark, I've already drawn this in pencil and I'm going to show how to go about it. So I'm going to mark 16 centimeters here also. Now I'm going to mark at the midpoint, which is 8 centimeters. Again, at the midpoint of this two, that is 1/4, that is 4 centimeter here, and at 4 centimeter here. Next, using a protractor, I'm marking here. I've kept it in the center point and mark where I get 60 degrees, because I'm going to make a hexagon, so each angle formed is 60 degrees. So 60 degrees here, 60 degrees here, and 60 degrees here, 60 degrees here. So all these things I'll do it like 60 degrees on each side, so that I can form exact lines like that. Now, keeping my center at 8 centimeters here, and at the angle of 60 degrees, I draw my next lines. Now, leaving this corner, I'm going to join all these together. Now each line here is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and I'm now going to mark the midpoint of these, that is 4 centimeter, in all these places. And then I'm going to join it like this. Now I'll join these 3 points. Now, placing my pattern like this with this open part here, I'm going to put a few numbers. Now cut it out. Now, placing this pattern like this, I have taken a different felt pen. In the template I have shaded lines, but now to show you here I am using a different felt pen to mark the lines that I'll need to cut open. These lines which need to be cut are shown as dotted lines in the printable. Now fold these and score the edges all over it. Now I folded everything inside because this is going to be the inside of the bowl and this is going to be the outside. So I have folded and scored at every line here. Now, taking a glue stick, I'm going to apply the glue on the surface which has this number and overlap the other end over it, covering it neatly, and press it. I'm really in love with this geometric bowl. It looks so cute. I made another one just because it's so addicting and beautiful. It is looking so pretty on the desk and it's holding all the items well organized in one place. I just love it. How did you like my today's video? Do let me know in the comment section below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please write down your comments in the comment section below. Share this video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, take care and stay healthy.